Hello and welcome to math lesson number 30. So first of all, guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello! And we'll begin with our meditation sequence. So teacher Wes will sit down, straighten his back, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, open your eyes and slowly come back to the room. Okay? Good. And now we'll do our stretching sequence. So please stand up and place your chairs inside your desk. Okay, so we'll begin. We'll give our hands a shake, roll our wrists. And then we'll stretch our arms. Shake our arms. And now can we go side to side. And to the middle, stop. And now we'll go up and down. Up and down. And down. Up and down. And this time, give ourselves a hug. And then out. Give ourselves another hug. Out. Give ourselves a hug. Stay there. Can we stretch down? Down, and then come back up, and then out. And can we go down? Can we go down? Excellent, guys. And stand up. And this time, hands on hips, and we'll give a wiggle. To the middle. Give another wiggle. To the middle. And now, let's give our legs a kick out. Shake our legs. Be careful not to kick your chairs. And how many claps to finish? 2. 2 claps. Okay. 1, 2. Please sit down, guys. Okay, so math lesson number 30. Does anybody remember what we learnt about in math lesson number 29? Length. What does length mean? How long something is. How do we spell length? L-E-N-G-T-H. Length means going this way. Length. Long. Or long ways. Yes, and now we're going to talk about, last lesson, teacher Wes introduced some units of length. So we'll write units of length. Anyone remember the very small one? The little smallest one on your ruler, you will see millimeter. Millimeter. Okay? Millimeter. How many millimeters for 1 centimeter? 10. Okay? So we can say 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. Centimeter. cm. Millimeter. Centimeter. What's next? Meter. See, we have meter. Meter. So what does teacher need to write for meter? M. Only M. Meter. So, how many centimeters equals 1 meter? 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Okay, so if 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter, how many millimeters equals 1 meter? What do we need to do? Excellent. We need to 10 times 100. Excellent. You see? So 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, or 1,000 millimeters. Yes. How about, let's do one more. How about if teacher Wes says 5 meters? How many centimeters in 5 meters? Remember, 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 500 centimeters. And how many millimeters in 5 meters?
5,000.
Excellent. You understand. Each time, it's more. The units of length are getting smaller or bigger, you see? But today, we can't do kilometers because kilometers are so long, they're bigger than the school. But do you remember how many meters in 1 kilometer? How many meters in 1 kilometer?
10,000.
Nearly. Smaller?
100.
Small, bigger?
100,000.
1,000. Excellent, Pang Pon. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. But we can't demonstrate in the classroom because that unit of length is so big. Today, we're looking at the relationship of units of length. Millimeter, centimeter, and meter. Excellent, guys. Round of applause. Well done. What we're going to do now is we're going to have a look at our song again. And this time, you've heard it already. So if you can sing along a little bit, that would be great. And then we have our PowerPoint too, to tell us more about the relationship between units of length. So please, guys, just turn your chairs. Okay, so first of all, we have our song, the measurement song. So feel free to sing along this time. Measure me and it measures you. measurement. Okay guys, so that was our song about measurement. Today's PowerPoint presentation is called Relationship between units and lengths. Okay, so let's take a look. This is a meter ruler. It is 1 meter long. And it is divided into 100 equal parts. Yes, you can see the marks at the top here. There are 100 of them. And every 10 mark represents centimeter. These are your millimeters. The very little ones are millimeters. Then you have your centimeters. And then 100 centimeters. 1 meter. You see, each part 1 centimeter long. So 1 centimeter is how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. So 1 meter is?
1,000 millimeters.
Excellent. Like we did on the board exercise earlier. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters. These are the different units of length. See? 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
10 millimeters.
10 millimeters.
1 meter.
1 meter.
100 centimeters.
100 centimeters.
So that means that 1 meter
1 meter
is 1,000 millimeters.
is 1,000 millimeters.
Excellent, guys. So let's have a look. Tell me, are these lengths the same? Okay? We're going to have a look. 2,000 centimeters.
2,000 centimeter.
20 meters.
20 meter.
20,000 millimeters.
20,000 millimeter.
Are these lengths the same?
Yes.
Yes, because 2,000 centimeters,
Equal
20 meters. And 20 meters is 20,000 millimeters. Okay? How about this? How many centimeters?
3,400 centimeters.
How many meters?
34 meters.
How many millimeters? 340,000. Are these all the same length?
No.
No. What's different?
40,000.
That's too long, isn't it? It should be 34,000. Not 340,000. So well done, guys. This one here is not the same as these two. How about 5,000 centimeters?
5,000 centimeters.
How many meters?
50 meters.
So they're the same, yeah? So 5,000 centimeters and 50 meters.
And 50,000 millimeters.
That one okay?
Yes.
That one's okay. They're all the same. It's different units of length, but it's the same length. Centimeters,
Centimeter.
meters,
Meter.
and millimeters.
And millimeter.
Yes, different amounts, but the same length. Centimeters. 25 meters. And 25,000 millimeters. Are these the same?
No.
No.
250,000.
25 meters and 25,000 millimeters. Is that okay?
Okay.
They're okay. Is this okay?
No.
No. What do you notice here?
Comma.
Comma is in the wrong place. So this isn't the right amount. These two are okay. 25 meters is 25,000 millimeters. But centimeters is wrong. They're not the same. And the last one?
700,000.
Centimeters, 70 meters, and 70,000 millimeters. How about these two? Is this okay? 70 meters and 70,000 millimeters. Okay, but this one again, it's wrong. What's in the wrong place? Comma. Should be 700,000 centimeters. So again, these aren't the same. 70 meters and 70,000 millimeters, okay. But centimeters, not okay. Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay. So you see about the different units of length. Millimeters, centimeters, and meters.
And meter.
Excellent. Round of applause. Okay, so welcome back to class. We hope you enjoyed the song and the PowerPoint presentation about the various units of length and how they relate to each other. Now we'll do our stretch sequence. So please stand up and push in your chairs. Okay guys, so let's stretch right up. Tippy so high. Tippy so high. And then let's go down. Go down. And then back up, high. And then side to side. Let's wave side to side. Hands on hips. Let's give a wiggle. Another little wiggle. Stop. And then to finish, we'll do 3 star jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. Please sit down. Okay, so now we have an activity where we're going to ask our students if they can measure the length of various things. So the first thing Teacher Wes has is a notebook. So down, can you bring your ruler and can you tell me how long is the notebook? And I will leave it for you to do. You can tell camera. $25 millimeters?
No.
25 centimeters. Down. 25. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for down. So that's the notebook, 25 centimeters long. Next, we have a plastic water bottle. Pangpon, can you tell me how long is the plastic water bottle? That's it, bring your ruler. So, yes, how long is the plastic bottle? What do we need to do? So you need to take it so that you can read from, you always need to start at 0. So, $30. And is it 30 meters?
No.
30
Centimeters.
30 centimeters. Excellent. High five. Don't forget your ruler. Next, we have a remote control. Lakau. Can you come and tell me how long is the remote control? If we want to know how long it is, do we need to do like this?
No.
No, we need to do like this. Okay. So Teacher Wes will hold for you. 19 millimeters? 19 centimeters. High five. Excellent. Round of applause for Lakau. And the last one, a marker, board marker. 2. Can you come and help Teacher Wes measure this? Bring your ruler too. There you go. Can you tell me the length? How long? I know. Can you say? Can you speak? How long?
Two.
13. It's 13 centimeters. Okay, well done, Chu. Please sit down. Okay. Okay, so now it's time for our worksheet activity. Teachers, you will have to print them off in advance, and give one to each student. What they need to do is look at the rows of boxes and decide if the various units of length are the same. If the units of length in the 3 boxes are the same, they can write yes. But if they're not the same, if they're different units of length, they have to write no. So they can work through each row. For example, the first one, 30,000 millimeters, 3,000 centimeters, and 30 meters is the same. So in this box we can write yes. But if other boxes are not the same, we can write no. Exactly, Dan. Okay, but first thing, guys, write your names on the top. Okay? Nadia?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so give your students around 15 minutes to complete this activity and monitor the class. If they have any questions, you're there to help. So any questions, guys, let me know. So first one, 30,000 millimeters. Have we'll try to work out for yourselves and see. Remember, 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is 1 meter. So what do we have? 30 meters. So 30 meters, 30 times 100, 30 times, not plus. So 30 meters equals 3,000 centimeters. And then, how about millimeters? We have to do 3,000 times 10. Equals 30,000. So the first one is the same. Yes. So for the first one, yes.
Yes. No.
Okay. And then the next one, 50 meters, 5,000 centimeters, and 50,000 millimeters. Yes. So let's see, 50 meters, 5,000 centimeters, and 50,000 millimeters. Yes. No, excellent, well done. So you recognize 100 centimeters is 1 meter, not 10. So this one, no. Excellent, Pakbun. Are you sure? 100 centimeters is how many meters? Remember? 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So not 10 meters. So for that one it's no. Well done, Pat. See, 100 centimeters is not 10 meters, it's 1 meter. 25 meters, 250 centimeters? No. So well done. You have to do the calculation for the different units of length. Let's see. 3,500 centimeters, 35 meters. 35. Yes. No. You see, 100 centimeters is 1 meter, not 10, so no. Excellent. Keep going. If you have any questions, guys, Ned, you okay? Okay? So let's see. No. Excellent. You see, because 100 centimeters is 1 meter, not 10. So no, very good. 25 meters is 2,500. So not 250. No, excellent. Very good, guys. Okay. $60 meters, 6,000, yes. No. Excellent, very good. Good to see you all understand. Ned, how we doing? Okay? Excellent. Chu, okay? So you can see 3,500 centimeters, 35 meters, 35,000. It is excellent, that's good. Understand? Because they're the same amounts, but different units. Like we have millimeter. You see, millimeter is 1, very small. Millimeter. Then 10 millimeters, 1 centimeter. And then 100 centimeters, 1 meter. Same. Pak Pung, you okay? How about this one? 100 meters is 10,000 centimeters, 100,000 millimeters. Excellent. 2, what do we think here? 50 meters, 5,000 centimeters, 50,000 millimeters. Yes. Excellent. Proud. What about, let me see, 25 meters? Is that 250 centimeters? No. What do you think it is?
2,500.
That should be centimeters, shouldn't it? And then it would be 25,000 millimeters. So you're right to say no.
I want. Again.
How about this one for net? 60 meters. 6,000 centimeters. What do we think?
Yes.
Okay. And then 60,000 millimeters. Because 1,000 millimeters is 100 centimeters. You see? It's the same, like here we have 1 millimeter. The smallest one, 1 millimeter. And then 1 centimeter. And then if we have 100 of them, 1 meter. Millimeter, can you say millimeter? Can you say? Millimeter, centimeter, and meter. Excellent. Let's see, how about 75 meters? 1,500 millimeters. That's not right, is it? It should. You're correct. You say no. 750 centimeters is 7.5 meters. So these aren't right. You're right to put no because they're not the same. Well done. Pang pong. What do we think? How about 100 meters? How many centimeters? 10 centimeters. They're the same. Yes. And how many millimeters? 100,000. Yes. Okay. Down. What one would you like to do? Tell teacher about this one. 60 meters. Do we think the same? 60 meters is
6,000 centimeters
and 60,000 millimeters. Yes. Same.
100
Meters, 10,000 centimeters.
100,000 millimeters.
Excellent. Nadia, which one? Which one will you look at? Which one do you like the most? This one. So how many centimeters?
100
100
centimeter.
is
1
meter.
meter.
So not 10. Not 10. So you were right. You put no, not the same. Because it should be 1 meter. You see? So you were right to put no. Excellent. Here we have 100 centimeters is 1 meter. Okay. Hello, welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to figure out if the various units of length were actually the same when they were added together. Some of them were, some of them weren't. So teachers, if your students didn't quite understand, you can help and explain to them on the board. But we all did well. Everyone did a great job, so well done, guys. And now it's time to say goodbye. So we hope you enjoyed today's lesson and we'll see you again for the next one. So can we turn and wave goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye.